It is all about the cloud here for Microsoft. Are we able to get a sense of how Microsoft's cloud is performing relative to, say, an IBM or an Alphabet? I mean, these guys all compete in the same realm.
So what we know about Microsoft is second in cloud compared to Amazon Web Services. Much bigger than IBM, certainly. Much bigger than Rackspace, much bigger than Google, much bigger than EMC, which also has a similar offering, part of Dell now, of course. But this Microsoft business, it's really impressive. On a year-over-year basis, top-line revenues from Microsoft. Again, let's think about Microsoft where it was not too long ago, a few years ago, when they screwed up that massive Nokia acquisition. Now here you've got these guys showing 20% year-over-year revenue growth. A lot of that driven by the cloud. Just very impressive results. And of course, nice margins coming out of the business, as always, from Microsoft.
Paul, what about, or excuse me, Cory, what about the legacy business? Because of course, 62% or even more of their business is that core legacy business that's so easy to forget about. The cloud is so sexy.
So much sexier. But yes.
What were the results like there?
Business, look, that core business is key, and I think that one of the things that we see is that Microsoft has been able to use that core business of Office, of Microsoft Office, and the legacy of customers that they have, and salespeople, and thousands of salespeople all around the world, calling on businesses, getting them to upgrade Office, getting them to move Office onto the Microsoft cloud, so that then Microsoft's in a position to sell their other cloud services to those sort of Fortune 1000 companies out there that are used to buying from Microsoft, that have been relying on an experienced Microsoft sales force for a very long time. So Microsoft using that core business and that legacy software business as the tool and really the foot in the door to sell their cloud business. Now they've got to have the product to support it. And we can see from the success of Microsoft Azure that they do have that product to support it. And we see from the results today that those sales are working, that they're leveraging that core business, that legacy business, and selling these new products quite successfully.